everybody, it's Savannah here from the beauty school, one of the tutors here to speak with you all about smoky eyes. We've got a lovely model, Candice, here today. How are you going?
I'm good.
That's good. All right, let's get into it. Now, smoky eyes can be done in a few different ways. Today I'm going to show you how to apply a black smoky eye in my favorite method. Now, when doing a smoky eye, I love to start off with my lighter colors first, as it's easier to build up the colors. Instead of going for your deeper first, it might become messy and harder to blend. You can also start a smoky eye with no foundation on, as this will be easier to wipe away the product if there's any fallout on her under eyes. You can also, if you've already done the foundation, just put a layer of translucent powder so that when you swipe it away, it swipes away that black shadow as well. So firstly, I'm going to come in with my medium transition shade, and I'm going to place this really gently through her crease. So I'm bringing that right into her inner corner of the crease and right to the outer corner, making sure that the color is the same throughout. And notice how I'm blending in small circular motions, but also just dragging it very gently. It's also easy if you pull the eyebrow up a little bit, as this will give you more space to blend on the eyelid. Otherwise, you can also get your client to raise their eyebrows like so. I'm then going to come in with a more fluffy brush and a lighter transition shade. And just above that product, that medium transition shade, I'm just going to really gently blend in circular motions. I just want to make that medium tone a little bit deeper. So just coming in with some more product. How's the pressure on the eyes? Is that okay?
Yeah, fine.
Perfect. Always important that you check in with your client because you don't want to be hurting them at all, and just being very gentle. Next step is grabbing a flat brush like this, and I'll get you to tilt your head upwards, please. And you're going to very gently stamp that along the lash line, being very careful that no product is going onto her cheeks. You can also tap the brush to get rid of any excess powder. Now, some people like to use a black liner to do this step. That can give a really intense look. But this can also be done by just adding layers of black powder. Always get your client to open their eyes as well, so you can see how high to place that black shadow. With looks like smoky eyes as well, it's important that you're discussing with your client the result they want. People with more hooded or deep set eyes don't always suit a smoky eye, as it does cause a more sunken effect. So it is important that you relay that information to them and alter the style of the smoky eye to suit their eye best. Going to round out that product to match the shape of her eyelid, and then we'll come in and blend it all together. Now I'm going to come in with a brush with no product on it, and I'm going to start blending those tones together, lifting up her eyebrow to get more space to blend. I'm also being very strategic where I'm placing the brush. You don't want to be pulling the product and the brush all the way up. So I'm just blending exactly where I need it to be. When you blend a black, it can come out grey. So just adding more product back on, or even going back into with that medium transition shade to get more of an ombre effect through the crease. Most important step is to blend, blend, blend. Now that we've created the top half of the smoky eye, it's important that you're using that color and bringing it around the under eye. So I'm going to use my brown shade first that I've been using for transition, and I'm just going to really gently buff that under her eye. Now the under eyes are very, very sensitive, and you'll find a lot of clients will twitch or their eyes will water. So it's best if you get them to look the opposite direction of where the brush is going, as they won't be too scared with how close I am getting to them. If they start to water, a little trick I like to do is actually tap on their forehead, because that distracts them from the eyes and they focus on something else. And a lot of the time they'll stop tearing up. Once I put the transition shade that I've used with brown, I'm going to come in with the same brush I've been using to stamp on the black, and really, really gently stamp right on that lash line. Now, some people like to bring the black all the way to the inner corner. However, I think it would look more flattering on Candice if I just do it on the outer edges, as this will lift her eye shape and won't look too sunken. Just coming back in and blending, blend, blend, blend. And there we have it, one finished smoky eye. Obviously we won't leave her looking like this. We'll complete the other eye. making sure that you're following the exact same steps that I have just done on this eye so that you can achieve symmetry. Now for something a little bit special, you can sometimes put a pop of color or a pop of glitter in the inner corner, as this will make everything look bright and will look beautiful when any lights hit. A pair of false lashes, or if your client has lash extensions, can also look really beautiful to finish this look. Amazing, well thank you for watching this technique of a smoky eye. If you'd like to learn a different technique for a more dramatic effect using liner, please check out our professional makeup artistry course, as we would love for you to learn all styles and all tips for makeup. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell button for notifications on future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.